Beam angle is arguably one of the most important aspects of achieving a balanced, beautiful lighting design. But the days of buying specific beam angle bulbs are over. Volt is proud to introduce a Volt exclusive innovation, the adjustable beam angle bulb. These bulbs come with a built-in mechanism that allows you to easily change the beam spread by simply rotating the lens. For example, you may want to narrow the beam angle to focus illumination on open spaces between windows, or widen it to illuminate a larger feature, such as a tree canopy. Beam angle options include 20-degree narrow, 40-degree flood, and 60-degree wide flood. These innovative bulbs are offered in MR16 as well as MR11, with multiple color temperatures to choose from. With these beam spreads offered in one bulb, the worry of wondering if you've purchased the correct beam spread for a particular lighting application is over. Shop now at voltlighting.com.